we're able to swap the numbers. And also let us see what are the values of the variables number one and number two. I mean, here I'm referring to the global variables. Let us see what are the values of number one and number two. Okay. Okay, so it is the values global variable number one. I'm copying the same over here. Okay, let us see what is going to happen by executing this code. Let us take the first element as 48 and the second element as 36. Oh, what has happened? We see that the value of number one and number two haven't changed. That is, when we check it over here, that is, before swapping, the numbers were same as our input, and after swapping, the numbers were interchanged. And when we are trying to print the global variable, we see the numbers same as our input. I mean to say that the values haven't been changed. The reason behind this is here within this particular block of the function, the variables number one and number two are the local variables. I mean to say, even if we perform the swap operation, these particular variables are going to hold the latest values only during this particular block. Once if the control comes out of this block, it is again going to take the old values that are stored in the variables. That is, before swapping, the value that is stored in number one was 24, sorry, it was 48, and the value stored in number two was 36. So that is the reason we are able to see the same values again here. The reason is these values were changed only in a particular block, but not outside of the block. This is a special